Yeah, so I'm just playing daba and these random people are just trying to kill me right now. But right now, I think they're coming back, so I'm gonna have to build some defenses. I have a secret weapon. Secret weapon under my table. That secret weapon. TNT. How do I have it? Slightly underground. Right, flip the switch. If they're in front of this area, they will die. Next time they come, I will be prepared. Oh, one of them left actually. It's just gonna be a short video. Just wait. Yeah, I think I tried hitting them too far away, but it's worth the shot. Okay. I need to be prepared. So I got my weapon. Got my everything. I'm completely ready. Ah. Yeah. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, really put on isolation mode. Alright, so this is gonna be the end of this video. It's pretty short, but bye.